Hello everybody, it's Crafty Rhea and welcome back to another video. This is a Happy Mail video. I went to the post office today and I had 4 things. Well, one of them was in there last week and I left it in my purse and I totally forgot about it. And then today there were 3 things. I think most of these are from the Facebook group Creativity, Swaps, Happy Mail, and Friendship. We do a lot of swaps. They call them tags. And I know 3 of the envelopes are from there. One of them doesn't have the person's name on the outside, so I don't know who that's from. So this is all very exciting. So I have them from smallest to largest. No particular order other than that. This first one is the one that I didn't open last week. So I'm going to go ahead and open it now. I'll move these others out of the way. This one is from Valerie, and it is the Wishes Washi. They do a wish every other Wednesday where you can list a wish list of 10 different things, and then you have to, if you put up your wish list, you have to grant at least 3 wishes depending on how many people grant your wish. So it's kind of a fun exchange. I really enjoy it. So one of my wishes was washi tape. So this is what she sent me. And this is from Valerie. And we do washi on little playing cards because they have a smooth or shiny background and the tape doesn't stick to them. So we have these 4 washi samples, and I think they have to be at least 2 yards long, maybe. And those are really cool. And this, oh my goodness, I don't know if Valerie knows me or not, but they are blingy and gold. I love that gold glittery washi. You can see it better on the back. I'm in love with that one. These are cool too, don't get me wrong. Those are cool, but this gold, man, oh man, I'm in love with that. I'm going to put that in my washi box. I have a box the size of my old bling box, and it's full of washi, so I'm going to add those to it. If you're watching, Valerie, thank you. This one is from Michael. She had sent me stuff before and I didn't know how to pronounce her name, and she did reply and she said it's like the boy's name, Michael. And let's see what is in here. It's wrapped really pretty. This is a wish for was one of my wishes for something glittery. The envelope's real thick. I wanted to make sure I didn't leave anything behind. And look at this gorgeous napkin around it. That I can definitely use that as well. It's very pretty. And we've got a bunch of glittery things. Look at that gorgeous paper. It doesn't show up good on the camera, but it is so sparkly in person. Yeah, the camera's not doing that justice at all. That is gorgeous. And this neat paper clip. It's like a banner on a paper clip. It says autumn. Very cool. I like that. That's neat. I might have to try making something like that. That would be a good embellishment on the front of a card. And then we have some Toy Story stickers. And of course we have the dog, which is, you know, the Slinky dog, which is really cool. And Woody, he's my favorite. And this gorgeous shaker box that says hello. I like that. I wonder how she sealed the edge. I don't know if that's with glue, but it's cut with a decorative scissor and it's vellum. I'm going to have to play around with this. We might be doing a video on this. I'm going to email her and ask her about that because I love the edge and I want to learn how to do that. And look forward to seeing something like that in a video because that is really, really cool. If you're watching, please let me know how you did that. If not, I'll send you a message. And it has some sequins in there. We're going to be making that. You watch out for that. And then this really pretty napkin, which is purple. It's my favorite color. It's really pretty. That could be a really nice background on a card. And I will set this aside. We always post on the board too when we receive things and take pictures of each thing. So I'm trying to keep everything together. Now this is the mystery one. I'm not sure. It just says it's from her address and Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. So I might open that one last since that's the mystery. This is another one from Tammy from the group. And of course there's some washi tape on there, which I might try to take off and reuse because it's really pretty. We usually check my post office box once a week. I have that informed delivery, so I always know when it's coming. And this is a decorative envelope. Oh, it's got all these little arrow tabs. That's kind of cool. This is the 5 decorated envelopes. This was one of the tags. And it's from Tammy, so that's kind of neat with all the arrows. And you know, making cards, we always need envelopes. I'll have to make some long cards. And this one with this beautiful hummingbird. I love hummingbirds. We have 2 hummingbird feeders outside, and I love, love, love to watch the hummingbirds come. And then we have this with this gorgeous unicorn. That's really pretty. And this one here with the washi tape, same as she used on her envelope, and the really pretty flower down in the corner. And this one here with some butterflies. Very cool. Thank you so much, Tammy. These are really neat. I never thought to use the big long envelopes for the decorated envelopes, and they'll come in handy. That'll be neat. I might have to make some really long cards. I'm going to set that aside. And one more from a surprise person from Philadelphia. I like the color of the envelope. It's really pretty. Melissa would like that if she's watching. This is, it's from Michelle, and it's from one of my viewers, and she wrote me a gorgeous letter. Let me see. Let me start by saying that I love your YouTube channel. Please continue to recycle cards and postcard challenges as I truly enjoy them. I am gifting you 3 blank note cards. I can't wait to see what you turn them into. Oh, thank you so much. Now, if anybody ever writes me something that's personal, I won't read it, but that's pretty general. And then this says, you are so amazing, and she says, so thankful for you, and I left this card blank so you can use it for a friend. And I really like that sticky note. That's cute. Oh, I love this. And here's one that's hello. Hello, hello, hello. You know, these would be a good background, and then maybe put something on top. That's really neat, rather than using background paper. I like that. That's pretty. I'm so excited. And these are gorgeous flowers. Little yellow flowers. And the back is a solid green. I like that too. Let me see if that has a color. Oh, look at that. It's got a rainbow stripe on the back. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, so you could use them either way. Or cut them in half too. I don't know. I'm going to have to see here. This is gorgeous. And I'm going to put the note aside. And these trees, oh, that's so pretty. And the back is that pretty mint color. I love it. And here is some washi tape with these little elephants. They're so cute. Thank you so much, Michelle. I really appreciate it. I absolutely love them. And yeah, I'm going to have to play around with them and see what I'm going to make out of them. Definitely, for sure. Thank you so much. You made my day. And thank you to all of my swappers on the creativity group. I appreciate all of those as well. That's a lot of fun. Thank you again, everyone, for watching. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Never feel that you have to send happy mail. I enjoy it when you do, and I will always feature it, but it is never a requirement. I just enjoy having you watch and leave me comments. That just makes my day. Thanks again, everyone. If you like what you see, do give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. There'll be plenty more videos, especially if you want to see what I make with these really cool note cards. And head on over to my Facebook group, Create with Crafty Rhea. We have a lot of fun over there. It's a great group of ladies, and everybody's showing off their work, and it's just gorgeous. I love it. Thanks again for watching, and until the next video, you know what to do. Go get crafting. Bye-bye.